Hey everybody, Jeff Drews, Southwest Microwave. Very excited about the upcoming Security Technology Forum at the National Harbor, October 22nd. The MidChest team has asked me to be the MC this year. I'm not sure if they know what they're doing, but my intention is to keep everything relevant, focused, on target, but most importantly on time, getting you in and out of the rooms and keeping a good flow through the whole presentation, the whole day. Really looking forward to it. Southwest Microwave will also have our booth. Happy to have conversations about our PoE technologies, our microwaves, our fence detection, buried cable, whatever is relevant for your multi-layered threat definitions at your sites. Looking forward to it. Hope to see everybody there.